Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, yeah, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, yeah. So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. It's the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie. Hey smoothie lovers! Today we're keeping it simple, classic, and so creamy with this peanut butter banana smoothie at just 230 calories. It's the perfect quick breakfast, snack, or post-workout fuel. Start with one ripe banana. That's your natural sweetness and creamy base. Add in a spoonful of peanut butter for healthy fat and protein that keep you full and satisfied. Pour in half a cup of milk, dairy or non-dairy. And if you're in the mood for a touch of more sweetness, add a drizzle of honey. Blend it all together until smooth and silky. The result? A smoothie that's creamy, nutty, and so satisfying. If you're new to smoothies, this one is the perfect place to start. Quick, easy, and always delicious. I got you. Yes.